Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Techno Solutions. Today we are continuing our Arduino Starter Kit series. In this video we are going to learn how to use the DHT11 sensor with Arduino to measure the temperature and the humidity. Components required for the project are Arduino Uno board, breadboard, the DHT11 sensor, some jumper wires and a Uno cable for the connection. Now let's do the connections. So first we will take the breadboard. Take the DHT11 sensor. Connect VCC pin of DHT11 to the 5 volt of Arduino. Connect the data pin to the D5. And connect the ground pin to the ground of Arduino. Now our connections are ready. So we will upload our code. So for the uploading code, we will first connect the Uno cable to the laptop or PC. Now we will upload code. Now I will upload the code and open the serial monitor. You can see the humidity and temperature value displayed here. So today we successfully interfaced the DHT11 sensor with Arduino and measured temperature and humidity. This is very important beginner project from the Arduino Starter Kit. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the Techno Solutions. For more Arduino, IoT, robotics and electronics projects, stay connected with us. Thank you for watching.